How to add follow button on Facebook comment. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and then tap on your profile at the top right corner. Then tap on the gear icon that will lead you to settings and privacy. Further, just scroll down and then all you have to do is tap on followers and public content over here at the audience and visibility section. After that, make sure that all of these options are toggled on for public. So just make sure that all of these options are toggled into public. Then go back and then tap on how people can find and contact you. Over here on who can send you friend requests, you just have to tap on it and select friends of friends, and then go back and then also make sure that you have the professional mode on over here. And as you tap on professional model, just go back to your profile, and as you tap on your profile, just tap on the three dotted lines. Now as you tap on the three dotted lines over here, just make sure that you have been switched to your professional mode, and you'll be able to see the follow button added on your Facebook comment. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.